Welcome to the future port of Beirut. This video shows a visualization of an option of the port's reconstruction that was proposed to the public in April 2021 by HBC, Colliers and Fraunhofer. Our journey starts from the western border of the port, where tourists enter Beirut via cruise liners and ferries. Next is the Rollon roll-off terminal. Here, all kinds of vehicles can be flexibly stored, as well as loaded and unloaded from ro-ro vessels. Beirut is the major car import terminal for Lebanon, but also trucks bring goods from ferry terminals across the Mediterranean for transport inland and beyond. Moving further east, the general cargo terminal hosts 3 berths, equipped with mobile harbour cranes, yard capacity for general cargo storage, and 2 warehouses. An ultra-modern bulk terminal with modern ship unloaders is located at the eastern side of this port basin at the deepest conventional berth. A conveyor belt connects the bulk terminal with transit silos to store agriculture products. Next, we swing over to the container terminal. In our vision, it is one of the most modern of its kind and climate neutral. The container terminal takes the largest area of the port and is regionally a significant port. Here, up to 4 vessels can be handled at the same time. The highly efficient yard layout can accommodate up to 2.9 million TEU annually. This more than doubles the container throughput compared to before the explosion. The new home of the New Beirut Port Authority, with direct connection to the city of Beirut, responsible and accountable for the port's performance and governance. Further east, there is a dedicated empty yard. As typical for state-of-the-art container terminals, it is in direct neighbourhood to the full container terminal. Here, all empty containers will be stored and sorted to foster most efficient container handling. The port will be completed with a logistics park in the eastern part, with additional direct connection to the national highway network and eventually rail links. It offers ideal conditions for logistic companies to store, repack, and distribute smaller volumes without congesting the port area and polluting the inner city of Beirut. If you have additional views or ideas, you are welcome to share it on the Beirut Port City Dialogue platform, www.beirut-portcity.org.